First and goal from the 3. Hand off McCammon, no, kept by Huff. He'll look for the goal line as he's in. Second effort got him in. Big handoff to Cagle up the middle. 4-man rush, goes to the end zone. There's TJ Davis, touchdown Green Bay. Huff on the speed option outside. He's in the end zone, touchdown Jacksonville. Cagle and Davis in forward motion, taking the handoff. Myler lowers the shoulder. He's into the end zone. Touchdown, Green Bay. Jacksonville has come through big time when it matters most. Huff takes the speed again, has the hole, and he's into the end zone. Touchdown. Parnas sends it high and away, fielded by Andre Williams, the back of the end zone. Williams has his blockers. Andre Williams cuts back right. Andre Williams is gone. Touchdown, Green Bay. 3 weeks in a row with a kickoff return for 6. Time with a lead. Myler takes a snap, 4-man rush, goes to the end zone. Pass caught. Lowell Patron has it. Touchdown, Green Bay. Quick movement. The Sharks on offense, low snap, handoff, McCammon. He's got a hole again into the end zone. Touchdown, Jacksonville Sharks. 2 plays and they're in for 6. Just on each side of the formation, an empty look. 4-man rush though. Myler slings over the middle, pass caught. TJ Davis still on his feet, spinning into the end zone. Touchdown, Green Bay. You hear me say finish. Now it's just, well, we're ready for play. Nevis kicks this one away. It'll be fielded in the back of the end zone by Fleming. Fleming returns up the middle, has a space up the left side. He's still going. The ball's loose. Green Bay's on top of it. A dog pile for it, but Green Bay says they have it. And they do. Empty look again. Myler fakes the handoff. Myler through the teeth. He's in. Touchdown. Green Bay. Split out to the left. Myler standing strong in the pocket, rolls back to the left, throws the end zone. Jalen Cagle, touchdown Green Bay! Big handoff, Myler's got a hole. Myler looking for the end zone, does he have it? He's in, touchdown Green Bay! Under 8 minutes to go in the 4th quarter. Pass caught by Andre Williams, still on his feet. Andre Williams again! He's gone! Touchdown, Green Bay! Skirting the sideline in. Power on power. Nope, pitch out. McCammon hurdles again. Reaches for the goal line. He's in. Touchdown, Jacksonville. Davis sends the receivers in forward motion. Takes a snap, fakes the handoff. Davis, the end zone. Pass caught! Harry Ballard flips over and makes the catch. Could be dangerous. Espinoza pump fakes going downfield for Rodgers. He hangs on. Oh my goodness, right into the cameraman in the end zone. Wait for it. Oh boy. Green Bay wins 75-43.